Well, welcome to No Winning. If you've been following along, you'll notice that we're almost done with the silver car. Today all we're going to be installing is a 4-bar map sensor. Should be pretty easy, just 2 screws. Then we have a speed density sensor, block off plate, and the eye wire for the speed density. And then what we're probably going to end up doing too is, I know I started it in a previous video, but we might just put this on, run the sensor through the back of the firewall, and then start moving forward so we can get this car turned on possibly today, maybe tomorrow morning. So let's see what we can get done today. Okay, here's the map sensor, here's the plug. This is the speed density sensor from iWire. I'm not sure exactly where we're gonna run it through yet, but we're gonna get started and let's get it plugged in. So here we go. Okay, then we're gonna leave this kind of dangling, maybe somewhere around here, something like this, just until we can figure out where the final location is gonna be. So I'm gonna leave it running up here. Block off plate. It's just a plate. It's gonna block off that little sensor there. Okay. IAG coming in clutch. Okay, that ain't going anywhere. Now the next thing to do is going to be the 4-bar up here, and then we'll start situating the O2 sensor back over there. Here's the Omni 4-bar. There we go. There we go. Here's the old one. Okay. There we go. Okay, let me give you a little update to what I did. I had to turn off the camera because somebody was cutting the grass again. But this is a speed density sensor. I put in a little Ziploc bag for now. With the iWire sensor kit, it just plugged right in. So we're just going to wait for this where we're going to plug it in. But the other thing I did down here was the O2 sensor, or the wideband sensor. I actually ran it back through there. I honestly just forced it through once I popped it out with a plastic push clip. I used one of these. Just got it in and then just pulled it out and it came out pretty easily. 4-bar map sensor is already in. The block off plate is in. Now we're gonna tap into this wire right here, this white one, so that we can get an input or output from the wideband into the ECU so that the tuner can get access to the wideband. The only problem is, well, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I know the last video was kind of choppy. I kind of only showed you what I put on, or I didn't really show you how I put it on, but you got the idea, right? They're mainly just sensors. A couple of them are just screws. The one that I did have trouble with was the AFR gauge with the the wideband sensor running through the firewall. But I showed you more or less how to do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Hit me up in the comments below. But that's it. That's all I have for today. Stay tuned. We have maybe 2, maybe 3 more videos to go to finish up the Silver STi, and then we finally get it on the road. So make sure you stay tuned and watch for future videos. Thanks for watching.